Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can fix the new tabs keep opening issue in the Google Chrome web browser in 2025. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so there are several approaches to this issue in 2025. So what you want to do first is check if your Google Chrome web browser is up to date. In some cases, this may or might already solve the issue. To do that, navigate to Google Chrome, access your browser settings by clicking into these three dots here, click into settings, and inside your browser settings, navigate to this option at the very bottom of that list, about Chrome. And after that, Chrome will automatically check if you're using the most recently released version or the newest version, which is the case for me. And you will see a notification like this: Chrome is up to date. If you don't see that, guys, Chrome will notify you that there has been released an update for Google Chrome, so that you may download and install it to fix the issue. That's option number one. Option number two, guys, would be to reset your Google Chrome web browser to its factory or default settings. You can do this from the same menu here to the left. Simply navigate from About Chrome to to that option here, of course, Reset Settings, and from there click into Restore Settings to the original defaults, and that is going to reset your Google Chrome web browser to its factory settings. However, guys, bookmarks, history, and save password, of course, will not be reset. So only these settings here. So if you do this or would like to do this, guys, simply click into this button. Option number three would be to check if you are using any extensions in your Chrome web browser that might be affecting your browser performance in a negative way. To do that, guys, click into the three dots here, navigate to extensions, and from there simply click into Manage Extensions there. Inside your Extension Management Center, guys, go through that list and either disable the extension you believe might be causing this issue, or simply remove it by clicking into this button. And in the final step, guys, what you may do also is simply delete or clear entire browsing data on Google Chrome, including the cached files and images, site cookies, and so on and so forth. To do that, click into these three dots here again, hover your mouse over or click into Delete Browsing Data, use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-Delete. And after that, simply select your time range here, like all time, if you'd like to delete your entire browsing data. And after that, select the item you'd like to either clear or keep, like for example, browsing history, cached images and files, cookies, and other site data. So I will leave it at that and confirm by clicking into Delete Data here, and that is going to clear your entire browsing history or data here on Google Chrome, guys. So that's the 4 steps you may take to tackle this issue. I hope it fixed it for you guys. Let us know in the comments down below if that's the case. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.